Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Chari Echaleco. I am 28 years old. I am married with two sons of a 6 years old and a 3 years old. I am the eldest daughter of the family. I have three brothers and two sisters. I've been working to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for almost 1 year. There are three in the family. I am the only one helper to them, and my responsibilities to them are cleaning, kitchen assistant, and a babysitter. I promise to you, Madam and Sir, if you will given me a chance to be as your helper, I will try and do my best to give you a good service. I will finish my contract to you, and I will obey all the rules and regulations, also the tasks, especially that you given to me. I hope to see you soon, Madam and Sir. Thank you and God bless you.